Hello students, I am Divya Bairagi. I hope you all are fine. So dear students, today we will discuss about the poem that is The Flower School, which is written by Rabindranath Tagore. So in this poem, an innocent young child is talking to his or her mother about how flowers also go to school. So enjoy the imagination, beauty and color of the poem. So let's begin. When storm clouds rumble in the sky and June showers come down, the moist east wind comes marching over the heat to blow its bagpipes among the bamboos. Then crowds of flowers come out of a sudden from nobody knows where and dance upon the grass in a wild glee. Mother, I really think the flowers go to school underground. They do their lessons with doors shut, and if they want to come out to play before it is time, their master makes them stand in a corner. So, now here in this poem a child speaks to his or her mother and tells that he thinks that the flowers go to school and they go to school when storm clouds rumble in the sky and June showers come down. June showers come down. So rumble means to make a deep echoing sound in June. The east wind is moist. Moist means wet, having water contents. So and they comes marching over the heat means open area where grass and flowers and other plants grow to blow. Its bagpipes among its bamboos. Bagpipes is a musical instrument having very pleasant sound. So wind like bagpipes blow among the bamboos. The crowds of flowers come out of sudden from nobody knows where and dance upon the grass in wild glee. So and in the season the flowers are very happy glee means happiness. The child wonders where they have come from to him. So he seems that these flowers are dancing and celebrating their joy. So the child and the poet addresses his mother and tells her that he believes that even flowers go to school, but that school is underground and they do their lessons when they are only birds, and they get a break only when the rain comes. So they do their lessons with doors shut, and if they want to come out to play before it is time, their master makes them stand in a corner. So moving further, when the rains come, they have their holidays. Branches clutch together in the forest, and the leaves rustle in the wild wind. The thunder clouds clap their giant hands, and the flower children rush out in dresses of pink and yellow and white. So the poet says, when the rainy season arrives, branches clutch together and the leaves rustle. They make sound. Because of the wind. Thunder clouds roll like giants and children. With children, these flowers, children dresses in pink, yellow and white. So the poet believes that flowers have their homes in the sky, where the stars are, because they are very eager to return there. So, do you know, mother, their homes is in the sky where the stars are? Haven't you seen how eager they are to go there? They are to get there. Don't you know why they are in such a hurry? Of course, I can guess to whom they raise their hand. They raise their arms. They have their mother as I have my own. So the poet believes that flowers have their home in the sky where the stars are, because they are very eager to return there. But there is one special thing about the flowers. They reach arms to their like the poet who raised their arms to his loving mother. So I hope children you have enjoyed the session. Thank you.